Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. As all of you know that a series is going on alphabet drawing. So today's alphabet is B. B for bee. Yes, which gives us honey. So today we will make a drawing with letter B. So let's start. So first of all, write down the letter B. Make a straight line. And this is our alphabet B. So let's start drawing. First of all, make a B, a big B. Yes, alphabet B. Okay. So this is our alphabet B. Now we'll start drawing bee, honey bee. So this is the wing of honey bee. Okay. Now draw the body of bee. This is her tail. Bee has some lines over his body, so I'm drawing these lines. Now draw the eyes. Okay, now these are her legs. So our bee drawing is complete. Now start coloring it. To color that picture, I am taking pencil color, yellow pencil color, and just color it with yellow color. Now we'll color here. We'll show the stripes on bee's body with black color. Okay, I have done the yellow color. Now I am using orange color to do some shading inside. Wow, it will create more richer look of bee. So I have done the orange shading also. Now I am doing black crayon in the stripes and also black color in the tail. Now we'll do orange color in the wing of bee. Okay, now make a smile here with red color crayon and the cheek. So our B for bee is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.